Welcome back to Weld the World. I'm glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to continue showing you this little YesWelder right here. It's pretty sweet. So let's flip this around. I've got my phone out today. My GoPro wasn't charged, so if you didn't see this in the first video, it is a TIG 205 DS 110 220 YesWelder. You can buy this on Amazon for, I'm pretty sure I got mine for $180. I'll have to go back and look. Pretty sweet machine. It does TIG and stick. And in my first video, if you haven't seen it yet, you need to go check it out. I did stick welding with this with 7018 1/8" rod. I did 220 volt plug and I did a 110 volt plug. So pretty sweet. It performed really well and it surprised me. So I said in that video that I'm gonna do TIG next, and that's what I'm gonna do here today. I'm gonna try to set my phone up in this little welding helmet fixture thing that I've got and see how it videos. It may not do very good, but the GoPro is dead right now. So let's get right into this. I've got some, I think this is about 1/8" steel here, cleaned up, ready to go, and some filler rod. Let's do a little overview of the machine, show you what it looks like. Here's the TIG torch. It does have the option for button start, high frequency. This is a high frequency machine. Pretty sweet little torch. It's kind of bulky compared to others, but it's also kind of comfortable too at the same time in your hand. Here's the little foot pedal. I've not used the foot pedal yet. This is the first time using it. From my understanding, when you press the foot pedal down, it does not change the amperage. It only starts the high frequency. So I'm gonna test that out and see how that does. It would have been really sweet if they could have put the roller knob on the TIG torch for this, but I understand it's a budget machine, so I'm gonna set this up and see if we can't do some welding. All right, let me turn this machine off here. A little noisy, kind of hard to hear. takes it a second to shut down. All right, so overall, pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie, the machine does weld good. Butt joint, I haven't done a butt joint in a while with TIG, so it's kind of like a little rusty, but it started out good, and then I'm missing that foot pedal adjustment for sure. But nice little machine. It does weld super smooth. I just wish I had some sort of adjustment either on the torch or with the foot pedal. Regardless, if you got $180 and you want a sweet little welder, this thing's pretty legit. Now, keep in mind you are gonna have to buy a bottle of gas. So the bottle of gas is probably gonna cost more than the welder, but that's okay. Again, I think it's worth it. This is a nice little hobby, beginner welder. I think it's perfect for somebody just starting out, or if you just want something at your house maybe to play around with and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to see in the future. I'm going to be trying to build this channel and add more content. Hopefully once a week is my goal. So again, thank you guys for watching.